So we just walked around this construction site. We walked through the admin building and this construction site, where soon to be the science building. This was for the construction class, but we were doing the foundation for the concrete in our class, so we were doing that, and we were also seeing how it was going on here. So we kind of got an idea of what was happening, but this is like a bigger version than we were doing, so we got like the idea of it. Like, we basically know what this is because we did it over there. I realized that there's a lot of steps to this construction thing. I kind of got the idea of it and all the things like that are going on, like the plumbing, the electrical, and the construction at the same time. And it kind of made me more comfortable, like knowing that what I'm getting into if I want to do this. And I feel like it's something that I want to do in the future, because all this, I mean, it feels like something I could do as well.
So we took all the students, were able to walk them through the building, show them the phases of construction that we're in the administration room, which is basically framing right now. And then we're able to walk around the whole entire project and talk about where we're at foundation-wise, coming up out of the ground on the new science building. Being able to bring the students through a site like this is a great opportunity for the kids. And I actually benefited from that when I was a student. So I went to Rio Americano, I graduated, I basically lived in the woodshop class. And ultimately, here I am working at my wife's old high school. So being able to take the kids through here and explain to them that, hey, you can make a great career. We need people that are coming up in the trades, want to build stuff, and, you know, are into it.